What is up, everyone? So today's video is probably going to be a 2-day thing because sun's going to go down on us here in a few. Chris and I are going to be working on the Tahoe project that you guys have seen, the vehicle that took a little nasty hit over here. And what we're going to do is start tearing into this and see how bad it really is. And of course, we're going to replace the broken stuff on the Tahoe with the donor stuff from the Suburban that lost the tug-a-truck event. So without further ado, let's get into this, see what we can find. So guys, we have the hood up here. Chris got a new toy, his impact. That's for bolts that'll come off. And then we have this, the angle grinder, for things that won't. Like I said, here's the Tahoe. I acquired this thing, you guys may have seen it in another video, from a buddy of mine who was a very, very meticulous person with this, and he had a guardrail slid on the ice, so they totaled it. This video is going to show you, when you tear into these salvage title vehicles, how bad are they? How do you put them back together? How do you get them inspected? This little series on this, and then of course, this thing's going to have a ton of power when we're done with it eventually. But you can see we had to tear this whole side off over here. And then as you walk back here, here is our donor vehicle. This was not the best maintained vehicle. It's even a clean title. It's just that rough. But the front end on this and a couple other things are absolutely beautiful. And they're the same color paint. So we're going to tear this thing apart to rebuild that Tahoe. And you guys will get to see it. So here we go. As you can see, Chris and I are A1 bodyman here. Now, Chris, professionally remove that front.
Allegedly.
Remove that front
Okay.
grill. It's
so you want to remove these little screws here and there, and then
exactly. See, now that's out of the way. Now that's professionally done. Now, when you look over here, see we're into this side, and look, the core support's screwed. Okay, obviously that fender's toast.
yeah,
so
I mean you can't do this.
nope, it won't come off that way. Dang it. So, okay. So now we got to go a little bit further, but this is where we're at so far, guys.
Freaking Einstein here decided to remove the hood hinge bolt before, I was ready to take the fender off.
Hey.
And so now it won't really stay up. So I came up with a more Einstein idea. Here, hold that.
I got that. All right, you ready?
Yep. All right, you ready, Einstein?
Yep. Put that.
We don't have a broomstick.
That's our new hood prop right here. Wow, look at that. That's perfect. Now you can work on your spot. See? I can work on mine. Yeah, let's...
Trust me, I'm an engineer.
That's perfect. Yeah, Chris actually is an engineer, so this worked out perfect. A little redneck, but hey, that old grill came in for good use. There we go. Bumper part's off. There we go.
Almost. It's the hood.
Oh, well, we at least know that's that part.
Almost.
So yeah,
We can get to the hood easily.
this is how we're going to get that off. Cut that off.
Fuck it.
There we go. You don't need that piece.
No, not at all. All you need is a bunch of extensions. Maybe a 15. Damn it. Okay, I need a 13. Be right back.
Okay.
Stay there. Angle that matters.
That's right. Oops. Oops. Yes.
Professional.
There we go. Exactly. Look at that. Wow. Okay, now we can inspect this. Okay, of course we knew the bracket was bad, but actually the structure down here is not bad at all. Really, it's actually in pretty good shape. Of course, there's the edge of the door. We were lucky and saved the door. Didn't have to tear it up. But yeah, actually, I mean, the bracket will have to be replaced, but where they thought was destroyed is fine. Now the bumper, on the other hand, as you come around here, whoops, I'm stepping on our wonderful.
Still can't get the grill on straight. I don't know why.
It's something about the grill. It's just not going on. What is wrong with this? Someone help.
The frame's messed up. That's got to be it. That's
Yep.
why we can't get the grill on.
I just think the gap's wrong. It's just not sitting right.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a big gap. That's like, you know, you're supposed to have that much maybe.
Yeah.
I think it's like we're closer to that. But
Yeah, now this bumper, when we get that off, we had to cut parts of it. We're going to take it off, of course. Core support's got to come off.
the
Driver's side's in
mounting
good shape.
here is really badly messed up.
Yeah, so we'll have to fix the mounting point, but beyond that, it's actually not going to be as bad as we thought. And of course, that hood is screwed, so it's got to go. So as Chris is finally ripping off the rest of the bumper, I'm over here on the Suburban, our donor vehicle, and I worried about this because it's the only fender we need. Oh, minus the dirt. She is mint. Absolutely mint. Look at that. No rust. We got lucky. So it's perfect match, perfect color. That's perfect fender. Sweet. Looks like you're getting that bumper.
Yeah. Well, at least it's not parallel with the grill.
Yeah.
It's in, the bumper's in line now. I don't know about the hood.
Yeah, it's all right. We'll get there. You go. Just like that. See? Just like that.
That's a force always wins.
He's gonna take a little more than that.
I'm hoping I can fatigue the middle to death.
That's gone.
Right.
I don't think this is gonna break.
It went right down.
Oh! Oh! I think you got it.
No.
Nope.
No.
Where's it at? Just sawzall it. I can get to the bolt. Ah, yes! That made him angry.
Professional.
There we go. We're professionals.
And that, they're different. That's supposed to look like that, and that's why I have this.
It's how you properly straighten a bumper mount.
Yep, we're professionals.
Just like that.
Okay, that's good.
That looks better. Our hood prop works great. Look at that. That's like it's new.
Exactly. See? We are professionals. We allegedly know what we're doing.
That's right. That's right. We need a third camera person.
We do.
It's okay. I think we might have hit a squirrel. It's a little beat up. But Chris's professional body shop is done with...
Allegedly professional.
Allegedly professional is done with half of the work. As you can see, we have some pieces laying around. So tearing one apart is pretty easy when you don't care. Now I gotta go take the other one apart and actually...
Wait, I gotta put this together?
Yeah, with the other one. I know it's gonna suck. It's okay.
I don't do that.
Well, we'll have to learn together.
Alright, well, we're starting to take stuff off. We got the bumper in the yard, the good bumper. Getting the fender now, and, you know, just angle the dangle. That's how you do it. I don't know where that bolt's at. Probably in the engine somewhere now.
You don't need those bolts.
Exactly.
Oops.
Probably went in the fender.
I think it did.
Oh well. We got plenty of these around.
Exactly. This is how this goes. So it's been a couple days, but we've gained a few. Here's Andrew. Of course, you guys know Cody. And Chris didn't come through with his core support. Boo, Chris. So we're going to take the Suburban apart, put it in there. Shed's being tore apart right now. So just a couple other things going on. And we'll start putting the Tahoe back together. This is how you pry out a core support.
All right, hold on. We got wires.
Uh-oh, there's some wires in there. Without taking out your radiator. Uh-oh, you just fell over there. That's not good. And yeah, so this is how this works.
Hold on. Professional.
That's right. There you go. More junk. Almost there, fellers.
Need dikes. You got dikes in there?
Yeah, they're in the Okay, so we realized the front of the frame really is bent on the Tahoe. So we got it jacked up so we could line the fender up so the door opens. And now Cody came up with a genius idea. We have our own redneck frame straightener. We're gonna take a come along, hook it on both sides, pull the frame over. Oh, there we go.
Hold on, go a little bit more. There we go. Where you at? Be straight there. I think it just went back. You're gonna have to go over.
I got the bolt through at least.
I know, but hold on. I'm gonna drop it down.
Okay.
And then that way we just take the pressure off, because I think this is resetting it every time.
It could be.
All right, hold on.
Now check this out. This is what you do. You hook a come along to the front across these, pull everything over. Cody's he's always been good with like full creams and levers and stuff. That's a good idea.
That's what happens when you're fat.
Yeah.
You get down on the couch like mine, you got to figure out how to get back up.
You're like, oh God. So check this out.
One of the poles
Here's the side. Look at the body line now.
Bottom.
All the way up.
Like that.
And now,
Sorry, no.
door opens perfect.
Brass probably. I had it.
There you go. Okay guys, so here is basically what we have left. We're just going to put the headlights and the grill and the bumper on, and then this thing's done. So we'll get that done, but as you can see, we'll do a little bit of adjustment for gaps too. Hood's not all the way down because the latch isn't on, but this is pretty much it. I mean, we took the whole core support and everything else out of the other Suburban, everything we needed. That's what we had left. Huge shout out to my trash company. They took all of our junk over the course of like 2 weeks. So it was awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.